One of the things that we really focus on is leveraging networks and building networks for the students that can help the client. A big focus of all the projects is what I would call primary research or customer discovery. So actually talking to people who are experts in a field, who are experienced in a different industry, or just who have a lot of insights, and using that information to gather intelligence for our client projects that we normally wouldn't get, even through some of the very expensive and well-regarded analyst reports available to the students or the schools. So as a faculty mentor, one of our roles is actually to open up our own Rolodex or LinkedIn and connect students with our industry connections as well as other experts on campus to talk to and gather insights, whether it's around a geography, an industry, a certain type of organization. And we find that that's really helpful because it brings all of Berkeley and Silicon Valley back to the clients in terms of the richness of the information and different perspectives that you can get from here.